Military, space, satellite, and commercial air applications are some of the most extreme environments and demand connectors that provide reliable performance in challenging conditions. Positronic SP Max rugged power and signal connectors, available from Mouser Electronics, are designed specifically for these applications with precision machine shells that provide mechanical durability, heat dissipation, and EMI shielding. They use LCP insulators to ensure proper operation from -55 to +175 degrees Celsius, and they tolerate a 2 mm offset for blind mating. Positronic SP Max connectors are offered in 3 shell sizes, with various layouts using size 12 to 22 contacts, with ratings at up to 35 amps per contact. Sequential mating, selective loading, and custom contact positioning solve difficult application problems. Hardware options include angle brackets, board locks, jack screws, and a quick locking system for additional versatility.